While we are still in this giving mood, I decided to offer something else up for sale. And these are my brake calipers. Set this off to the side. Not just any regular calipers. The Infiniti or Nissan Sport brakes. And these are called the Akebono BBK. These came from a G37, I believe. As you can see, this is Infiniti. All original OEM equipment. I have they are unaltered, so no paint, no prior work to them. To the best of my knowledge, came from a vehicle with about 67,000 miles. Trying to be as gentle as possible here. And as you can see, I went to the store and bought some bolts in the right thread because I wanted to plug up the brake lines, basically the brake line port, so that I wouldn't lose any fluid. And I probably need a flashlight for this part. You'll notice that inside them we do have some brake pads, and the brake pads have some decent meat on them. You're more than welcome to buy brand new brake pads. Of course, no one would stop you from that. But just saying that these are not too bad. They are, as I said, oh, I dropped something. They are all original, as I said. I did not clean them too thoroughly because I was putting them in storage, and I did not intend for them to be in storage that long. It's been, if I said a year, I wouldn't be too far off. And as you can see here, you do have the bolts that fasten them onto your suspension. So they are pretty much ready to go. There are tutorials out there, or rather there are guides out there that tell you what you need in case you're doing this for an M45, M35. If you're doing this for an M56, M37 base, I can't remember exactly. And the reason I'm selling them is I ended up buying the sport model. You know, you've seen it in the videos. So I end up having 3 cars of the BBK, so I don't really need these anymore, especially since I'll be selling the white one. At least I intend to. So I'll post it up on eBay probably, but I decided to use this forum and reach out to me. Email, which is my YouTube name at gmail.com, or any other means you know how to reach me. And we can probably, can get a subscriber discount maybe. But I'm thinking of, I want to keep them under $600, and that is shipped to the mainland US. I'm open to shipping them overseas as well, but I think it would be fair to ask that you cover shipping, the excess shipping when it comes to that. They're not brand new by any means, and I wouldn't try to pass them off as that. But obviously, the main parts that you see, which is here and here, are in pretty decent shape, right? Maybe some cleaning if you want to paint them for whatever reason. You're more than welcome to do that. But they are pretty good. The hardware's good. Pretty shiny where it matters. Okay. This is it, and this is my for sale video. So they are coming up. Thank you.